Look at that energy. This isn't a party. It's the moment a team of traders just closed a massive deal. Thanks to CommoTradeAI. These people aren't financial gurus. They're everyday users of one of the most advanced commodity trading platforms on the market. And they're winning. All around the world, individuals, not just full-time traders, are tapping into one of the most overlooked financial opportunities of the decade. Commodity trading powered by AI. Markets like oil, gold, agriculture, energy, gas. These aren't just for hedge funds anymore. With the right tools, anyone can access the same markets and opportunities quickly, intelligently, and safely. This is where CommoTradeAI enters, a cutting-edge, fully automated trading platform designed specifically for commodities, fueled by real-time data, advanced predictive algorithms, and an intuitive user interface that works for everyone, no matter your experience level. Whether you're just curious or already trading, CommoTradeAI adapts to your goals, your pace, and your style. Let's break down what makes this platform different. First, complete automation. Once your account is set up, the AI begins scanning global commodity markets in real time. It identifies trade patterns, reacts instantly to changes, and executes orders without hesitation, based on data, not emotion. You're not staring at charts all day. The system does that for you 24/7. Second, AI that learns. CommoTrade. AI is not static. It's built on progressive machine learning that evolves with the markets. The more it trades, the more intelligent and refined it becomes, improving decision making and adapting to market volatility in ways no human can. Third, real-time execution. In commodities, timing is everything. Small shifts in the price of oil, gold, or gas can mean massive returns or missed chances. That's why speed matters. And CommoTradeAI is engineered to act instantly when conditions align. No delays, no second guessing, just precise execution. Fourth, versatility. The platform doesn't limit you to one sector. You can diversify across multiple commodities, from precious metals like gold and silver to agriculture, energy, and industrial resources, all managed through one sleek dashboard, accessible on desktop or mobile. And don't worry, this isn't just for professionals. CommoTradeAI is built for simplicity. The interface is clean, intuitive, and available from anywhere. No download, no steep learning curve, no overwhelming technical clutter. Whether you want to test strategies in demo mode or go live, the platform is flexible and scalable. Getting started is simple. Head to CommoTradeAI.com, enter your details, and create your account. Deposit a minimum of 250 euros and you're ready to go. You have full control. No hidden fees, no commission traps, no aggressive brokers. Your funds remain yours. Your data stays encrypted. Your success is supported by technology, not sales pressure. But be careful. As CommoTradeAI becomes more popular, fake lookalikes are showing up across the web. Only use the official website. The link is in the description. Don't get caught by scams or cheap imitations. The real technology, as the real edge, is only available at CommoTradeAI.com. Thousands have already joined. From beginners to investors seeking new markets, they're tapping into smart AI-powered trading, and they're seeing results. Now it's your turn. Click the link, set up your account, and let CommoTradeAI show you how powerful modern commodity trading can be. CommoTradeAI, trade smarter, move faster, win bigger.